Hi, today we're going to be making some fun little Valentines using little disposable coffee cups, and it's going to be a lot of fun. The instructions are going to be a little bit different this time because it's kind of a craft that you can make look however you like it to be. So we're going to have a bunch of supplies out, and you can just mix and match them and make this craft whatever you like the best. So everybody's is going to look different. So grab your craft kits and scissors and some tape or glue, and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, to create today's craft, we're going to be using these little coffee cups, disposable cups that resemble coffee cups that you would get at baristas or Starbucks, just a little to-go cup. And so we're going to be making a little fun Valentine treat container using these cups. So I'm going to put that off to the side. And to start our project, we're going to need to get our template out. And so this is the pattern to create the wrap that goes around our cup. And in your packets, you had a few different designs of paper, and you can decide which one you want to use. I'm just going to go with the plain red this time, but whatever papers you want to use to make the wrap. You can also use your papers as accent pieces. Really anything's going to go with this craft. You get to decorate however you wish, whatever you think looks the best. So I'm just going to do a quick little red wrap. I'm going to put my template on the top of this and cut around it with my red paper underneath. And then this is going to give me a paper that will just wrap nicely around my cup, and I'll be able to tape it down and it'll give it some color. Now, it's possible that you might prefer having your cup just remain that basic white color, and you can decorate, get these scraps out of the way. You can just decorate on the white cup, and that's fine. And maybe you want to decorate the lid, but if you want to do the wrap, you cut it out, and then you'll see that this is going to fit around here. So you're going to put the wider end up towards the top, and it will just wrap right around like this. So you're going to want to get your tape or your glue out and adhere that to your containers. So I'm going to use my tape runner. We've used these for other crafts. It's a fun little double-sided tape that works pretty swift. I'm going to put a little bit of that on here and get it lined up. I have some little tabs here for overhang, and just kind of roll it around and roll it around and roll it and wrap it, and then we'll be taping this other end down and get that nice and secure. So there you have your little cup ready to go. For the next part, you are going to need your stickers or ribbons or gems. So we gave you a little bundle in your packet that has some little sequins, some stickers, that kind of thing, or your other papers, and you can use that to decorate your cups. So maybe you just want to go with a random design where you place stickers randomly around your little cup haphazardly, or you can make designs with your paper and add strips that go around. Just whatever you prefer. Everything is going to be just great. It's just however you like it the best. So I'm going to just put stickers around randomly on mine, and we'll call that good. Yeah, so just some different fun things. Maybe you want to put the gems. You might want to write Happy Valentine's Day. Maybe you have some stamps or something and you want to put things on. So however you want to decorate, that is wonderful. We also added some candy into your packet, so you can put your candies in there and then put your lid on the top of your package, and it kind of snaps down. The real fun thing with these is, I don't know if your friends have a Keurig, or if you have a Keurig, you can fit a little K-cup inside here. So if you want to give that as a treat, you can as well. So we have this. You're certainly welcome to, add some stickers to the top or around the rim of your cup. So, really, like I said before, anything goes, just however you want to decorate your little Valentine. So after you get your cups decorated today, we did include a little plastic cello bag. And so you can put your little cup into the cello bag. If you have little shreds or some other fun things, you can put them in there and give it some texture. And then you can tie one of your ribbons around the top, and it makes just a nice little gift for a friend. And I'm just gonna do a little bow here. We did find with this heart ribbon that sometimes the little hearts actually pop off of there. So yeah, so then you have a cute little treat for your friends or neighbors. Pretty easy to make, can be decorated a variety of different ways, just whatever you like the best. So enjoy creating, and we wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. Thanks for crafting with us.